Hey guys, coming to you today from Hilton Head, South Carolina. My wife and I have a place down here that's rented out most of the time, but we come down here once or twice a year for a little vacation time. So I'm down here right now on kind of a working vacation. And so I'm not just doing auditions while I'm down here, I'm actually doing a full workload. So I want to share with you my setup. Maybe as you look at it, it'll give you some ideas, some thoughts, maybe inspire you to get your mobile rig together if you haven't yet. So let me show you what we got. What I'm using here is a spare bedroom. Excuse the mess, I've got my junk spread out all over the bed, but here's the part I want you to see. Here's the actual studio itself. So when we first got this place, it was maybe about almost 2 years ago. There was a couch in the living room that we didn't like and we got rid of it, but I kept the cushions because these cushions are super dense and thick. So I went out, I bought a card table, and I basically created a pillow fort. Now over here to the side on a suitcase stand, I've got, the brain center of the operation. I've got my computer, MacBook Pro, and then I'm using a universal audio interface. I've got I think it's the Mark II at home, and this is like one of the original ones, and it works great, and I use it and take it with me because I can use the same setup here on the road that I have at home. Now, okay, back here, and never mind the acoustic foam, it's really not serving any good purpose. I was putting it for aesthetic purposes, but I'm not sure it accomplished that goal. What I did do was hang a comforter. This is where my back is, to this side of the closet. A comforter to keep sound from bouncing back off the wall behind me back into the mic. So that does do a good job of dampening the sound. And then I'm gonna squeeze around here and show you. Here's what we've got inside the pillow fort. I mean, literally, it's a pillow fort. So I have redundancies of everything. This is a second Neumann TLM-103 that I use so I can travel with that. And then I'm using a USB keyboard, mouse, and then I have an external monitor, and as well as a webcam. So, and then this is just an extra piece of acoustic foam I threw here just to help dampen any sound that might want to bounce off the table. So let me get behind the microphone now and talk to you so you can hear what it all sounds like. All right, so now I'm sitting here, obviously, as I would when I'm recording projects, I'm talking into the microphone. So you're hearing it as my clients will hear it. Is it 100% as good as my home studio? No. I mean, it's going to leak a little sound, but, that's the way most home setups are. So I am really happy with it. My clients, I've never had a single complaint, and I've recorded a lot of projects. Last year, I worked down here for several weeks, did a lot of projects, and no complaints at all. So I want to share this with you just to kind of get you thinking in this direction. If you don't have a mobile setup, or if you're a little confused or you're not sure, I mean, think about most of what I get, you could pick up at Walmart or even maybe a Goodwill. I mean, a card table, find yourself you might be able to use the cushions and pillows that are available, in a hotel room where you're at. Or if you have a place like this where it's more of a regular place that we come to, we've got these cushions and we just keep them in the attic and then I pull them out, when I get here. But you don't have to spend huge dollars to do well on the road. As a matter of fact, when I first got started in VO, I bought one of those little boxes with acoustic foam in it for use with travel. I never was happy with it. I just didn't feel like it really did that good of a job. But with something like this, I mean, it's not bad at all. As a matter of fact, it's pretty darn good. So again, I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for checking out the video. If you want to learn more about the voiceover business and how to create a profitable voiceover business, I invite you to learn more about my voiceover blueprint program. There is a link below this YouTube video where you can sign up for a free discovery call to find out more, find out if it's a good fit for you and if you're a good fit for it. And I hope to talk to you real soon. Thanks. Bye.